Hi, hello guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to, recently WhatsApp made an update, and this update, when you see it, made your status to come to this top. Sometimes you don't like it. It's very stressful, and you don't easily get to see status. And nobody likes this system. Nobody likes it. All right, look at it now. Now that's because of the new feature that WhatsApp just added, which is channels. So if you have started following channels, this is going to happen to you. All right, this is going to happen to you. Instead of your status being like vertical, they are now staying horizontal. While the channels are trying to be, when you follow channels, they are going to try to be taking the space that that your status were staying before. So the easiest way to solve that is very simple, right? You don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to look for any app or anything that will solve that problem for you. You can really do it right now if you don't like what WhatsApp is doing right here. Because me, I don't like it. So how do we solve that problem? All you just need to just do that. All channels that you are following, or just how to just close that. Click into the channel, all right? Click into the channel, then click on the three dots right here and click on follow, all right? And say unfollow. And then you have to do this for every channel that you are following. So you also have to decide if you want this or not. So here I also have to click on here too. I'm going to click here to like unfollow this one. Then it's unfollow. Now instantly I've done all this unfollow. This is the channel I'm following right now because I love this channel. It's the only channel I followed in Nigeria right now. That is very useful. So let's go back. So as you can see now, it has automatically restored my status. You can see I have my status back as they are, and I have the channels back, underground, that I can, if I have a channel that I want to go and check what they are doing, I can just click on it instead of following them. So this is the easiest way that for you to restore your status back to the previous way it was before the WhatsApp added their channel feature to it. All right, thank you for watching this video. If this video really helped you, I want you to click on subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also comment on this channel that this video really helped you in order for you to help other people that are watching right now. All right, and also share this video so that other people can find this video and they can also restore their WhatsApp to the previous way it was. All right, thank you. Have a nice day.